Come on, baby.
Are you extremely sure it's safe?
You're fine. What, honey?
You didn't say it was safe.
All right, it is. What do you see?
I see trees. Trees and leaves. This could be like a tree house. This could be like covering it.
Shelby, watch out by your foot. Just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Hey, Mom. You're so mean.
I'm kidding, baby. You're
There's a
fine.
big open area over here.
Yeah, look at that.
Look at this piece of grass. It's taller than me.
Whoa, that is a tall piece of grass. And she killed the grass.
Well, I think I'm done.
You done exploring?
Well, there's a billion other spots. And I see a big blank space. Keep the video rolling and we can go over there. Hey, Cameron, what are you doing? It's not a trash can. It's not a trash can. That's to the sewer. You just got a cigarette in the sewer.
Doesn't go to the sewer, Shelby.
What's wrong with you? Oh, look, there's a piece of tree.
Let's keep going.
Okay, there's a million other.
This is the family on the trail. Ripley's 5-month
Drink, Shelby.
birthday. Hi, Ripley.
Where's my drink? Oh. Can I get my drink?
Get your beverage.
My baby.
Hi, Ripley. What is?
We're technically celebrating.
I see construction up ahead.
Huh? Oh, they're making it longer.
I don't think that's what they're doing.
Oh, this thing already goes longer. Okay, that's pretty cool.
It goes into the river.
And it stopped. Oh, wait. No, it doesn't.
Yeah, but we're not going to go on the river.
That's Carson Street.
Ooh,
What? You see a spot?
big one.
Is there more trail or is it just done? Let's go see.
Wait for me.
Well, it just goes on forever, doesn't it? Yeah, no walking through the riverbed.
I feel like taking it home now.
All right, time to turn around.
All right. Can I push Ripley? Cameron! Cameron, you're dumb. Cameron!
I don't think Cameron was the first person to ever think of this idea. Go, baby, go.
No.
I lost a skateboard in there one time.
Can you get down there and run back up?
Yeah, but I'm not doing it.
You crazy? Are you crazy?
Boy, you
Very
crazy.
tired by the time we're getting done getting back up.
All right, let's go.
How'd you lose your skateboard?
I stood at the top. My friend was standing by the water and he was going to catch it. And he jumped out of the way because he was coming really fast.
And it went in the water.
Yeah.
Oh, look, ducks.
Oh, little baby tree and a ducks.
I zoomed in. How deep do you think that goes?
It's only like 3 feet deep.
Yeah.
It's really fast.
Has anybody ever stepped in there that you knew? It's probably really gross.
Probably took a shower 3 times after doing it. I would.
Yeah, that water goes straight to you.
I would take a shower 3 times before I counted myself as clean again.
I say that on any day.
You what? What?
Spider webby like on here. Cut that out of the video. Okay, stop it.
No, this is fun.
I want to see it though.
You'll see it when we're done. This is our journey.
Journey across the wilderness.
And this video is way too long to put on Facebook, so don't worry, babe. It's a great view of Cameron. You look so sexy when you walk, baby. Pushing that stroller. Row.
Really, Mom? Funny. Oh, Oh, wait. I have a good idea.
Where are you going? Oh, are you going to go visit the ferries?
Yeah.
Go visit the ferries.
I'm going to go see if there's no possums.
Okay, be careful. You should hand me your drink so you have the use of both hands. All right, go on, baby. Be careful. Don't fall. You should get on your butt and scooch down.
No.
Careful. Watch every step you take. Go ahead. Oh, that hole's a lot bigger than I thought. All right, go up the outside. There you go. Good job.
I'm surprised, actually.
That lady riding by on the bike because they don't know how to observe the rules of the place.
Wait, did she say that?
No,
Okay.
but she thought it. I read her mind.
You're funny.
It is impossible to hold this.
It goes all the way to the tree.
Where?
Wow. Oh yeah. Oh, I don't think you can catch it on the video, but yeah, look at that thing.
Where? I don't see it.
Here.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I can't see it on the video. Oh, you can kind of see it. Not really.
Oh, I see it.
There's part of it.
I'm gonna cut it.
No, leave it
I'm
alone.
gonna cut it.
Shelby, don't.
Why?
Because the spider put a lot of effort into that. That thing got shot out of its butt. That's how they make webs.
I know. I've heard that. Look, it's like a spider factory. Spider web factory.
There are a lot of spider webs. That's like a Spido condominium.
Or spider web
Spider condominium. Spido.
I like spider web factory better.
There's a whole lot of video of Cameron walking. Why don't you get up there and do...
Ooh, did you see
Oh,
that?
butterfly. Oh, yeah, we're going to come to the butterflies again.
Ooh, this is gonna be pretty.
Okay, maybe we should stop and see if they'll land on us when we get to the part with all of them.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. There's a little area.
Ooh, I want to check it out.
You want to check out the area?
Yeah. Wait,
Cameron, she's checking out an area.
did I check this out?
Nope, we talked about it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, is that your Cinderella rock?
Yeah. Oh, it's shiny.
Are you Cinderella right now?
Yeah. I'm in 2015 drinking my soda.
You kind of look like the thinking man. There you go. Okay, come on, honey. Careful.
I know. Oh, that was mud. That was mud. That was squishy.
All right, let's go to butterfly territory
Why was the dirt squishy?
because there's probably wet.
Ugh.
You applying some chapstick there, dear? Hi, Ripley.
Hi. This is your celebration.
She's like, I don't understand what you people are doing and why.
I did discover this place, didn't I? I did it.
Go ahead.
Oh, what about this one? This looks so cool.
What's over there?
Don't know, but I'm looking at it.
Where'd you? Are you gonna pick some flowers for Ripley for her birthday?
Me?
Yeah, go get some flowers.
Oh.
Here, give me your drink.
Just hold it.
All right. Pretty.
One for each part of her very short hair.
Huh.
Oh, there's ants on it. Did you see that?
No.
It floated. There was an ant on one.
All that happens.
Look, check it out. When it's in the wind, it like goes back,
Oh yeah.
and it's pretty. There's-
Very pretty. Oh, look at
Please stay on trail.
that. We disobeyed that rule.
Not. Just like what if they put it at,
Ooh, I see a black bag down there.
huh? Woo, mine.
Careful, you don't know what's in there. Could be something gross.
Cameron,
There's something down here.
come get it, please.
I wonder what that is. What if it's like a bag of money?
Ooh. Could I have some of it? What if they left their wallet in there? People are coming. Quick, quick, go, 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 go. There's a bag right there. It's black.
Hold on, there's people coming. Somebody's what?
Clothes.
Go get
Right.
it. Please. What if there's money in it?
Still
Strangest skateboard I've ever seen in my life.
of contour on her face. All right, there goes Cameron to go
With the
discover.
mysterious black bag. You can do
What
it.
is it?
What if there's a $100 bill in it, Mom? We'd be rich. Ripley, you'd be able to have like some. Huh?
I don't know what that is, but he found something.
It's like a phone.
Oh, it's a backpack. What is that?
Somebody's living down there. Here's their alarm clock.
Oh my God, don't.
Someone lives down there?
Oh my gosh.
Pretty cool alarm clock.
Don't steal the homeless dude's alarm clock.
It doesn't even work with batteries. The batteries in it.
Oh. Was there anything in the backpack?
Nope. Just an address written on the inside.
Just a what?
Just an address written on the inside.
Oh. That was interesting. Oh, I like the wind right here. Feels good.
Oh, butterflies! Butterflies, butterflies.
Where?
Oh, I saw a butterfly. Oh. A sprinkler? I see a sprinkler. Mysterious sprinkler. Ooh, this is how it smells pretty.
What'd you see?
Pretty. Pokes my head. I really hope I don't end up having bites all over my body after this.
I'm sure you're fine.
No, that's a spider portrait.
Oh, look at the butterfly. Hold on. There's butterflies over here.
No, they're probably Ooh,
Look at the yellow butterfly up
there's
on.
a marker. There's a marker right there.
Oh, I see it.
Ooh, oh, oh.
Look at all the pretty butterflies.
This must be their home.
Probably. You know, butterflies only live for like 48 hours.
No. What do you mean only 48 hours?
That's how long they live.
I saw a dragonfly.
Oh,
Did you see it?
look at those.
There's a dragonfly. It was on a leaf. Whoa. That's insane.
There's the Blair Witch Project right there. Daddy's getting impatient.
He's like, I just want to go home.
Look, there's the Munchkin Trail.
What? Oh, yeah. I remember.
Where the Munchkins walk. Here's your drink.
Oh, thanks.
I hear Fiona barking.
It's not Fiona. They go at 10 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, silence. Why is
What?
my leg is so itchy?
Honey,
It just feels weird.
you'll be fine. Oh, look at the butterfly just flew over my head. Where'd it go?
I'll check that. It's cool.
That was cool. I just saw it go right up.
Do you know that's good luck?
Really?
Yeah, if a butterfly flies over your head, it's good luck. You have good luck for 1 hour.
1 whole hour. I should go play the lottery real quick.
What are you doing, Ripley?
Oh, she likes that. Move, Shelby. Shelby.
Go higher.
I bet you that feels like a real roller coaster to her.
He's like, ooh, what am I doing? He doesn't even know what a roller coaster is. How would she know?
She can feel the pool in her tummy.
Yeah, the pool in my tongue when I go down. That's what I don't like about roller coasters. That was fun.
That was fun.
Okay, you can stop the video now.
Hey. Look, it's trash down there.
Litter bugs.
All right. Look, no trail information available. Careful.
I'm gonna do it. Go in front of me, Mama. Can't see it no more.
Open dawn to dusk. Those aren't times. That's like if you were a Puritan in the Puritan era. They didn't have watches. Open from dawn till dusk.
So they don't change the hours for seasons. Alright.
All right, grab your drink.
So it's technically always open.
Nope. All right, there you go. It's the end of our little family nature trail.